Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your 2020 Ford Escape. First thing you're going to do is remove the emergency key that you have in the remote by hitting this button. When you hit that button, you can just pull the key right out of the remote. Now, once you have that pulled out, we're just going to remove the back cover of this. You can use a flathead screwdriver. You can even use your nail and your finger if you want. See how I split it open real quick? But having a flathead screwdriver makes things a little bit easier. Okay, take the back cover off. And the size of the battery is a CR2450. And I'll leave a link in the description box for some new batteries if you want to pick some up on Amazon. But to get the battery out, there's a little slot right here in the corner that you're going to need something little like this flathead screwdriver, or like maybe you use a pin or something like that to get it right out. So just note on your battery that the positive is facing up, and to put it back in, you see how this thing's shaped. You're gonna have to put one side in first, and then push it on there, and then you just get the cover and stick it on and squish it on, and you're pretty much good to go. You put the emergency key back in, put it back together, and you're good to go. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. You guys take care, be safe, and have a great weekend.